All right, welcome back to the iWealth podcast. I have JP with me today. He's a wealth advisor at iWealth in Waseca, and he's just getting his career rolling. He's got a bright future ahead of him, but he's also got a little different demographic. His, beard isn't gray like mine is, and I'm interested to hear from you, like, somebody age 25, what is going on in their head? Like, what are they missing perhaps now that you've been doing this for a little bit of time period here? What are they maybe not thinking about at age 25 that they should be when it comes to like saving and accumulating money for the future? Is there anything that comes to mind when I ask you that? Like, what could we help educate them that they should be paying attention to?
Some of the more popular things around my demographic age are, like Robinhood and Acorn and things like that, that are just on your phone and you can pick a stock. And, it's been really easy the last 12 months when you pick stock A or B and, the entire market's going up. But what happens when you're not protected against anything and, you think you've accumulated this good amount of money up to, whatever, and then all of a sudden there's, the market goes down and you have no downside protection and you have no protection of any sort. That is definitely, I would say, what people are missing the most at the age 25.
Yeah. What about like from a family standpoint? What do you think? Is there something they're missing there potentially?
Age 25, is when people are normally starting to get married or have kids, and they're not thinking about, if they have their will done and who's going to take care of those kids if something was to happen to you. How are you going to provide if you're gone for your kid? Do you have life insurance set up?
Right.
How much do you need to draw from that, principal life insurance amount per year to support that kid? And then who's going to make those, financial decisions for those kids? I would say that's definitely missed.
Yeah, I've seen it 25 plus years in the business. I've seen where people just don't have those legal documents, haven't had the conversation like you're talking about. And so how important to be able to sit down with that 25-year-old couple and to have the conversation about their 2-year-old, And I always talk about, when it comes to that 2-year-old, somebody needs to be in charge to love that child and take care of them, but it's somebody different to take care of the money aspect of it,
And I think that's the value of a, financial planner. If you're on Robinhood, you don't have, some chat box on your Robinhood account telling you, oh, where's this money going? Do you have kids? Do you have a will?
Right.
That Robinhood's not asking you those questions.
Right.
And that's something that's missed in the age 25 demographic, I'd say for sure.
Sure. Yeah. Well, that's great. Well, thank you so much for being here today. And if you guys want to ask any questions to JP, feel free to look him up at iWealth. I'm sure you'd appreciate talking to you. So
thanks.